This is another great Titan 7 star case. The problem is this. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 implants, and then lower another 6 implants, Titan 7 star cases. Based on what I designed from here, this is a great prototypes. But sometimes we have to watch out. It's a little bit bulky because this we made the angle screw channels bringing in the back wall. And then we were going to make this better than this. It's very fast. So I can grind it like this. So bring more down, and then we're going to finish Titan 7 star case soon. So first I have to see the curve of the speed, which is really high here. So I have to bring down. Whenever they see the computer, maybe they don't see much. You see? Okay. I made the 4 to 6 millimeter open the height. Compared to here is a lot of room because I have to make the 2-3 millimeter occlusion. Then I can get the better color and design. The two shape was how it worked. I'm trying to make the inward just like here. See right here. Okay. And then make down. I know people said that why we don't do design stage. Trying to bring it in. That's good. I'd like to get the U shape. Because for the occlusion, like this. These tools getting more in, just a little bit more detail. Other than that, looks good. I like the open, so I can make the porcelain underneath. Good. Inside. And look at the lingual. It's very good. Okay. And it's a little bit more. I'm trying to get past the fit. Like I said, I can get the. This is a chrome cover. See? So, check this. I want to get almost edge to edge, which is just like that. Okay. So once I'm done with the lower, a little bit more detail. So one by one. Side. I don't need this spatula for grinding a little bit and down. Okay. And the lingual, I don't have to make the higher. Lingual have to be down. Yes, like this. That's good. You good? Okay. This, same thing. I was almost done. Right? So, upper, I want to get the good alignment. Okay. And then better, I think I don't need a fat. I can put a thin porcelain. Be good. Okay. And then leave it in the part. You see the all open. It's good. And the lingual, single, 3-unit bridge, 3-unit bridge here. Then a nice alignment. You see here? It's a little bit far and too long, so I can bring it in. Because of the hole, understand that I protect it. Other side. And make a little bit down. Right? Okay. Yeah, this is the main access line. Okay, other than that, pretty good. Contour. After curing, put it in the cement, individual teeth, and at the same time, we can put the coping as well in the cement before cementing. So this one is a Cyton 7 star. We just finished it. Finish the posterior bridge, cementings, now interiors. However, maxillary anterior 16-unit turns, same as lower 16-unit. Try not to cover with the hole. Hi, so my name is Kahng, and then I'm the owner of LSK 121 Oral Prosthetics. And then I made a lot of YouTube videos with my crew. And I would like to share about the 9 implant cases, which is the another tough case. We all the times make the really tough. And with the different implant positioning, which is upper, and the lower has a little bit more wide, the panic, and the goal is make the trying to make this as thin as possible, ceramic as much as possible. That's our goal. Um, so all patient is different. Some patient, they don't care because it's either thick, either heavy, either a little problem, cracking, or aesthetic wise, if they really not much cares. What I noticed that, but what we've been doing, the cases we all the time to take a look at is more the difficult case what we receive from the nationwide, and I sat down to do as many cases from trying to solve as much as possible the problems the implant, for example, about the um, implant positioning is too out, and then we're trying to bring it in to using the angle screw channel, even chrome copper. This is very, very hard to do it, tough case too. And not only that, we made a very thin as the highest aesthetic as possible. So free for the ceramic fracture, zirconia fractures, or almost 95%. Okay, 95% I guarantee. Of course, 5% is happening because the doctor placed implants and then they did not verify 100%, and then probably implant failed. The thesis movements, maybe that's the problem. And sometimes the chewing bite is I don't get 100%. That bite is issue possibly, but other than that, we're trying to make this beautiful aesthetic as possible. Each different patients, and then give them different shape and contour and then different color. We did not follow the regular shade tab, which is they fabricated more than 55 years ago. That's why trying to turn on to my YouTube channel, I'm trying to explain to you what I do, then make this as best as possible and make them patients really happy. And not only that, is a great pronunciation problem we can solve, and then aesthetic problem we can solve, and then light issue we can solve, and the cracking problem we can solve the issue. So this video is overall the fabricated internally. We did it 100%. We made it here, manufactured here. So I own it, the laboratory, and then I do have a great technician, so over 30 technician too. So just enjoy, and then thanks for watching my YouTube channels. We do have a lot of social media posting all the time. Thanks for watching that one too. Anyway, so I'm glad you're watching it, so you can take a look at it. Beautiful teeth, and make the as best as possible, make the beautiful work. Just enjoy. Thanks for watching.